What's going on, YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we have 3 new watch faces from the Bergen watch face design group. Now, you can visit their website at www.bergen.io to see their latest designs, and I'll go ahead and throw that link in the description below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get it right into the watch faces. This is called the Elite Chronograph, and the first thing that you know that I'm going to notice is that sweeping second hand. And y'all know with me, if the watch face has a sweeping second hand, it's pretty much a gold wrap. Like, that's one of the best things I like about these watch faces. Another thing that I like is how the digital display over there to the right is shown. Like, it's not too much information, it's not really lacking anything, and it just kind of mixes in with this whole artistic looking watch face. Now, if you notice, there are some numbers that you can partially see behind the watch face itself, so I like that too. So it doesn't have the typical 12, 3, 6, or 9 look, but it just has some numbers that you can kind of see popping out from the background. So that's pretty cool. You can see this list of available features on the watch face, and a couple of things I want to call out. One, with the Bergen watch faces, they have low battery consumption, so basically means that you're going to get more watch time using these watch faces. And I will tell you, there have been some watch faces where I've used them and I noticed that the battery drained just a little bit quicker than normal. So hats off to them for having the low battery consumption. And then you can also have 2 customizable app shortcuts. I cannot stress to y'all enough, when you have a watch face that has customizable app shortcuts, it just makes everything on your watch that much quicker, because you're getting to the information that you want to get to quickly. The app shortcuts will include the weather, your battery, there's a Find My Phone feature, settings, background colors, your steps, and as I mentioned earlier, the customizable app shortcuts, and your heart rate monitor. This one is called the Pathfinder, and this is a very bold, in-your-face watch face, but I like it. One thing that you'll notice between the 4 and the 5 is that you'll have your date in its own separate bubble or circle, if you will. So I like those types of design cues. And then if you look at the sweeping second hand, the design of the pointer too, that's pretty awesome. Features of this watch face include 4 color accents, battery level, day and date indicator, your step counter, your heart rate monitor, and an optimized always-on display for all Samsung Gear S2s, Gear S3s, and of course the Gear Sport. This watch face is the new Pacific watch face in the 12-hour format. It's a very colorful watch face, and it also has dual time, so you'll have it in both analog and digital. As you can see, this is the list of features for this watch face, and this watch face is also included in the low battery consumption. So you don't have to worry about your battery again using this watch face. As always, thanks for taking some time to watch my videos. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official. We'll see you later.